Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 13th of July, 2020. Here to talk about Coinbase real quick, trying to figure out why is this stock such a hot buy. I mean, the market has been on a cataclysmic move to the upside. Like, look at this. Ever since June the 6th, the market and Coinbase have already seen almost 100% return. It almost doubled your money if you would have bought it on June the 6th. And if you would have sold at the high on July the 11th, man, that's crazy. And you got people out here wanting you to hold stocks for the 5-year period or 10 years, decades, generations. They want you to hold stock forever. It's ridiculous. On the videos and the content that is being garnered here on this platform, when in just a couple of weeks, you could have doubled your money. Pretty good. Did a video in Coinbase. Take a look on July the 6th, looking for price to go higher. And we had our ultimate TP price right here. Let me see where this at. Around $95. Market high on July the 11th hit 92.15. So pretty close. Pretty close. But one thing I wanted to talk to you all about in this video is us looking at Coinbase holding this area support. It did yesterday. Fantastic. Because the sellers in the market in Coinbase came in here on the 11th of July. Why would I say selling? Because the market closed off the highs, and then on yesterday's trading, the market traded low, down 3.5%, and then the volume also came in on July the 11th, letting us know that there was sellers in the market in Coinbase. So pretty much, we need to figure out will the buyers continue to hold price here at 84.50. That is the first objective for us to figure out if the market is still strong. Because if the market is still strong here at 84.50, then the market is going to bounce at this area for support and continue to run up. The next target will be around $100. Okay. Now, the reason why we need to see the market in Coinbase hold 84.50 is because the last couple of times price traded at that level, it got rejected and price went down. We're at that point again. Okay. So let me go ahead and give you this price prediction. If you were to get out of the market in Coinbase on the last trade yesterday, we would be up 9.79%. Okay, cool. Now, outside of us noticing that the market needs to hold here at 84.50, the next logical area will have to be off this trend. Okay, so if the market in Coinbase does not hold 84.50, then anywhere in this area here could be support. So I just want to prepare you all that this would be the next area for us to find the buyers. Just saying. So don't get confused. Don't ask questions why did price fall down, because there wasn't no buyers here at 84.50. Hopefully they'll appear in that circle or that elongated circle that I've created. Hopefully they'll show up there. Okay. Here's Coinbase on the 2-day chart. You guys can see that we did receive an indicator of strength right there on the 2-day time frame. Pretty good. We just need to follow through now. Coinbase on the 3, I don't like it. I'm just going to keep it real, because in the next 8 hours and 36 minutes, we can already tell where the market is closing off of this 3 days. It's closing off the highs. That is indicative of more selling coming to the market than there are buyers. Here's on the 5. Coinbase on the weekly, 2 weeks. Okay. So it looks to me like the market is trying to pump brakes to the upside. That's what it looks like. So now I'm breaking this down on the hourly chart, and you guys can see that yes, volume has definitely increased over the last couple of 7-hour price bars. Look at the volume, and we're still seeing the market go lower. Here's Coinbase on the 3-hour. You guys can see where the selling began right here, and the market continues to sell off. Okay, here it is on the 330-minute chart. Take a look on the 90. This is how you can tell that buyers are trying to support price. When the market gives you weakness on these two 90-minute price bars right here, and then the next 90 minutes the market closed higher than the previous one, this is where buyers stepped in. And for us to begin pre-market today, seeing 84.50 being held again, starting out here lets me know that there's still at least some sellers coming into the market in Coinbase. So all in all, yes, the market was hot in the beginning of June till today's date. It seems to me like this run may be over momentarily. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chill out. I want to get confirmation first, either to the upside or to the downside. I need to get confirmation first. And the market hasn't really determined if the buyers are going to hold this area. And if they don't, then I'm already prepared to see the market in Coinbase go lower. And that's going to take us below 84.50, which is very important. Back down to 80, that would be my first target. 76 would be my second target, and 72 would be my third, for us to stair step our way down to find buyers. That is my current presumption, is from what I've seen on the hourly charts, that selling is still present. If the buyers take out the sellers here, then my current presumption will have to change. That is why I'm going to just sit back and wait. I'm waiting for them to prove, the buyers, to prove that they're willing to continue to hold this market here. And if they do, cool. We'll pay a prediction to the upside. Like I said, the next target will be up here towards 100. Okay. So let me pump the brakes on this video for Coinbase. And we'll come back in after we get more confirmation as to what the buyers really did. I'm waiting on them. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.